Welcome. If you want to disconnect AirPods from your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on Bluetooth, turn it on. After that we have to open our charging case, wait until they connect with our iPhone. And as you can see right now they are connected, so we can easily tap on the information icon. Then we have to scroll down and click to forget this device. Confirm second time. And as you can see right now they are disconnected, and in a few moments we'll be able to pair them one more time. Just close and open the case. And as you can see, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!